Good morning, children. Welcome to your maths class. For today, let us start with a new topic, a new unit of, it is the topic of capacity. So remember, we already covered the topic on measurement of length, which is the meters, centimeters, millimeters, kilometers. For today, we are going to learn about the measurement of capacity, which is the milliliters, centiliters, and the liters. Okay, we are going to learn also on measurement conversion. So let us start. As you can see in your book, okay, you have some figures. We are going to see the amount of liquid that big containers can hold is usually measured in liters. For example, the large bottle of oil, paint, and the water tank. So the oil is 4 liters, the paint 5 liters, the water tank 100 liters. Now about centiliters, it is used to measure smaller quantities of liquid, such as the small cup, the juice bottle. Okay, so for example, you have 20 centiliters, 50 centiliters, 33 centiliters, and 75 centiliters. Now, to measure much smaller quantities than centiliters, we are going to use the milliliters. For example, the spoon, petit flacon de parfum, and then you have the toothpaste. Okay, so milliliters can be measured as 5 milliliters for the spoon, 15 milliliters, milliliters, 75 milliliters, and 70 milliliters. Capacity is the maximum amount that a container can hold. Okay, so what is a capacity? The amount a container can hold. Milliliters and liters are the standard metric unit for measuring capacity. Now let us see in our book. On the page 109, you have a table of conversion between liters and centiliters. 1 liter is equal to 100 centiliters. 3/4 liters is equal to 75 centiliters. Half liter is equal to 50 centiliters. 1/4 liters is equal to 25 centiliters. Okay, so if you do not know this by heart, how are you going to calculate? For example, 3/4 liters. If you do not know if it is 75, you are going to do 3/4 times 100. You will get 75. Half times 100 is equal to 50 centiliters. Okay, so here you have an example. Convert 6 and 3/4 liters to centiliters. As you already know, 1 liter is equal to 100 centiliters. So 6 liters is equal to 600 centiliters. Then what about the 3/4 liters? You will have to do 3/4 times 100 is equal to 75. You will add 675. Your answer is 675 centiliters. Okay, so now for liter to centiliter, you will have to 1 liter is equal to 100 centiliters. But what about centiliter to liter? You will have to divide by 100. For example, 600 centiliters is equal to 600 divided by 100 is equal to 6 liters. So you have to divide by 100. as you can see in the figure, 4 liter to centiliter times 100 centiliter to liter divided by 100. Example 2. Convert 620 centiliters to liters. So you have this method, 620 centiliters. So the first method, un peu compliqué for you. So take a look. 620 centiliters. So for 620 you have first 600 centiliters and then you have the 20 centiliters. So 600 centiliters to liters divided by 100 is equal to 6 liters. Then 20 centiliters, how you're going to convert to liters? The same, divide by 100. Okay, you have fraction 1/5, then 1/5 liters or 6.2 liters. Now 1/5 liters, how did you get 0.20 liters? Times 100. Okay, let us see the second method. 620 centiliters, so you already know centiliters to liters equal to divided by 100. You are going to divide directly. Okay, 620 divided by 100 is equal to 6.2 liters. So you are going to do this method itself. You are going to divide directly by 100. Okay, so you have some questions. You have to work out liters to centiliters. Okay, you only have to times 100 or divide by 100. If you have centiliter, you have to find the liter, you have to divide by 100. Okay, for example, 6 liters to centiliters, very easy. 40.5 liters to centiliters. Liters to centiliters times 100. So you are going to move your decimal point to the right to 2 digits. Okay, I hope it's clear for you. Okay, I know you'll be able to work this out. As for the table, you will copy this in your copybook 2 to 3 times. And then you have to memorize all this. Take a look over here. You have the conversion from liter to milliliters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Milliliter is equal to ml. 1 liter is equal to 100 centiliters. We just did that. 1 centiliter is equal to 10 milliliters. 0.1 liter is equal to 100 milliliters. Okay, so liter to milliliters times 1000, 0.1 liters to milliliters times 1000. You're going to copy this as well. Okay, here you have another figure, how you're going to do your conversion from liter to milliliters, centiliters to milliliters, and liters to centiliters. So it's very useful for you, very easy. You're going to copy this in your copybook 3 times. Okay, like it is. You can use different colored pencils or pens. Okay, liters to milliliters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. At the top, you can see it has been multiplied by 1000, but milliliters to liters divided by 1000. Centiliters to milliliters times 10. 1 centiliter is equal to 10 milliliters. Milliliters to centiliters divided by 10. Liters to centiliters, 1 liter is equal to 100 centiliters, but centiliters to liters divided by 100. So you see it's very easy, this table. Okay, you'll have no confusion at all. So it's very good if you're going to memorize all this. In your book, page 110, now you have the conversion between liters to milliliters. We just saw this. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So this table as well, you're going to copy in your copybook. 3/4 liters, you're going to do 3/4 times 1000. You will have your answer as 750 milliliters. Half liters go to 500 milliliters. Quarter liters is equal to 250 milliliters. So all this 3/4, half, 1/4, you have to multiply by 1000 to get your answer. Or if you already know the correct answer, then it's okay. If ever you have a confusion, then you'll have to multiply by 1000. Because 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Now you have some examples for you. Take a look. Example 1. Convert 3.5 liters into milliliters. So I guess you'll be able to work this out. But here is the step by step. So 3 liters plus half liters. 3 liters, 2 milliliters go to 3 times 1000. We have 3000 milliliters. Half liters, half times 1000 milliliters go to 500 milliliters. You're going to add these two. 3000 plus 500 go to 3500 milliliters. Okay, it's very clear for you. Now we move on, milliliters to liters. So for liters and milliliters, 1 liter is equal to 1000. But for milliliters, 2 liters divided by 1000. Okay, now you have the example to convert 3600 milliliters into liters. So you know you have to divide by 1000. Here as well you have two methods. Okay, for the first method you already know 3600 milliliters, so you already know you have 3000 ml plus 600 ml. So 3000 ml is equal to 3000 divided by 1000 and 600 divided by 1000. So here as well it's a bit complicated, so you move on to method 2, which is direct. 3600 ml divided by 1000. Your direct answer is 3.6 liters. This is your answer. So you're going to do this method itself for all your questions. So you have to work out the questions. 3/1/5 liters for milliliters. So 3 liters go to 3000 milliliters. 1/5 liters go to 1/5 times 1000. You will get your answer. You will add these two. Then it will give you the final answer. Okay, so I hope you'll be able to do this, children. So this will be your homework. Take a look at this figure. Okay, it is an illustration to show you the exact measurement of liters and milliliters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters, so it is divided into 10 parts. Each part is equal to 100 milliliters. As you can see, the measurement, you have start by 0 ml, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 ml is equal to half liters, then 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000 milliliters go to 1 liter. So this was an illustration for you to show you the correct measurement of liters and milliliters. Okay, children, so that's all for today on capacity conversion for today. So here is your homework. I'm sure it's very easy, and I hope you will have no problem in answering the questions, page 109 and 110 in your book itself. So do your homework, take care, stay safe at home. Okay, see you later. Bye bye.